Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate through your document in Word. This is part of your MOS Certiport Word exam 2019. It will tell you to navigate through a document. Well, there are two ways on how you can navigate through a document. The first way to do that is on your keyboard, press Ctrl F. Control F, as you can see, the navigation pane, it is going to pop open. If you guys are not really comfortable using your keyboard, there is also another way to open the navigation pane as well. You see on your ribbon, there is the word editing. For right over here, go to Find, press the arrow drop down key, Find. The navigation pane will actually open up as well. And from here, you can go through all of your headings, and I will teach you guys later on how to set up heading styles and how to navigate through your document through there too as well. Another quick way to actually replace words, it is the Find and Replace button. So for here, I'm going to do a simple one. So find what? The word meeting. Replace it with greet. You can replace all of them, or you can replace one of them. For right now, I'm just going to do replace all. And you will know if you have done the task correctly if Microsoft pings you and say all done, we made 47 replacements. That's another way you can navigate through your document as well. That's by using the Find and Replace button. And then you click Close. Hope that's helpful, and I'll give you a lot more other tips throughout my videos. Have a great day. Bye for now.